Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to safely drink murky water without getting any illness or damaging your health. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to have some vitamins. These can be found inside of pop and pill crates, medicine cabinets or some loot containers, or occasionally you can buy them from traders. And once you do obtain them, go ahead and use them. And once you do, as you can see, it is going to give us the disease resist 100% for 12 minutes. This means that you can drink as many as you would like of the murky water and you will not get any illness. So now you can just go ahead and drink it from the water source as it is, from the lake or river, or from the jars. And you can just go ahead and fill them up again. And the second option to get it to drink murky water safely is to obtain the water purifier mod, which you can get by looting some containers or buying it from traders. Or once you've obtained the water purifier mod schematic, you can go ahead and craft it these materials. And to use it, just go to your character and modify the head that you have on yourself and put the modifier mod inside of these modifier slots. This is going to allow you to drink the murky water safely also, without the need of having the vitamins. So these are pretty much all the ways how to drink murky water safely. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.